Hi, I'm Álvaro Cima. I'm studying on the Colegio Plurilingüe Divina Pastora Franciscana Sobrense on first of
Hi,
bachillerato.
I am Lidia Francisco. I study on Colegio Plurilingüe Divina Pastora Franciscanas.
Hello, my name is Hannah Matias Tejedoa, and I am studying on Colegio Plurilingüe Divina Pastora Franciscanos Ourense.
Álvaro? Hi, I didn't see you since 2 years ago.
Oh, are you Emily?
Yes.
Oh, you look awesome.
Thank
How
you.
are you? And what are you doing here? I think you were in Madrid.
Yes, but I came here to visit my family.
Oh, that's cool. Do you remember this street? I think it was called Luis Espada before we lived here.
Yes, I think the boy of this bar told us.
Yes. I remember those afternoons when we didn't know what to do with our lives, but we came with Hannah to think about nothing.
What about Hannah? Where is she now?
I lost her contact 2 months ago, so
Do you want to come to Sarah with me to buy us some clothes?
yes, let's go.
Thank you.
This street was called Luis Espada in 1904. Luis Espada was a politician. Then he was called General Aranda in honor for Antonio Aranda Mato. And finally, it's called Cardenal Quiroga in honor of Fernando Quiroga Palacios, an Archbishop of Santa Fe del Norte of Orense.